it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life. In today's video, we'll be trying some of the Happy Mouse vegan cheeses that we got from the North Wales Vegan Festival. If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it up there.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
We had such an amazing time, and we were so happy to be able to bring some of the Happy Mouse cheeses home, as we couldn't for the Cymru Vegan Fair, could we, Mum?
We couldn't. After visiting the Cumbrian Fair and we weren't able to bring any home, we were going to place an order, and then we heard about the North Wales Vegan Festival, so we thought, seeing as Happy Mouse are going to be there, we thought it'd be a good idea to get the vegan cheeses from there and bring them home.
That was absolutely brilliant. Should we try some, Mum?
I think that's an absolutely brilliant idea.
First of all, shall we show everyone which ones we got?
I think that's a great idea. And then you've still got to pick which one you're going to try.
Definitely do it by random, Mum.
I think that's a great idea. The vegan blue, vegan smoked, vegan garlic, vegan cranberry, vegan chilli, vegan caramelised onion. Can you choose?
I think that one.
Okay, that's the garlic one.
Ooh. I remember trying them all at the vegan fair, but now I can't remember what they taste like. Can you, Mum?
That's it, I'm exactly the same. It was really lovely for you to try so many different flavours, wasn't it?
It was, but then it came to a hard decision. Did we also decide which ones to have this time?
That's it.
Oh, smell!
It smells amazing.
Should we cut a piece strong, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
Here it is. Oh, smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it?
It really does.
Mmm.
Is it as good as you remember?
Mm-hmm. I do love the garlic flavour so much. And I love the Happy Mouse cheeses. Absolutely amazing that these cheeses are made from tofu as well, isn't it, Mum?
It is. It was so lovely to hear the story at the vegan fair all about it, wasn't it?
Mm. That's incredible how they still melt in your mouth too.
You're going to enjoy it on maybe some crackers?
Mm.
Come on then.
Today we thought we'd try the caramelised onion cheese. Smells incredible, doesn't it, Mum?
It really does. It's got an amazing smell.
It really does. Mmm. Wow.
That's amazing. That's so creamy and soft.
It's lovely and creamy and soft. And I love the onion taste too. The caramelised onion is amazing.
It is. It's so amazing. You get a lovely taste of the caramelised onion, don't you?
And every single bite as well.
That's it. You're going to enjoy it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Here is the smoked cheese. Oh, I love the smell so much. Do you, Mum?
It smells really lovely.
Mm-hmm. Wow, that tastes absolutely incredible. I love the smoky flavour so much. And it really goes so well with a lovely tasting Happy Mouse cheese too, with it being tofu. And I love how it melts in your mouth and the flavour stays throughout as well.
You're going to enjoy it.
Okay.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day.
Here is the cranberry cheese. That smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it, man?
It does.
I love the cheese so much. The wonderful taste of cranberries is absolutely incredible. And it's so lovely that this cheese is award-winning for Happy Mouse, isn't it, man?
It was so lovely to know that this was an award-winning cheese for them.
Definitely. Oh, I really can't wait to have the blue cheese today. Look good, man.
It looks really good.
Here it is. Smells amazing, doesn't it, man?
It really does.
That tastes so delicious. I love the flavour so much. And I do still love how it melts in your mouth too. It's incredible, isn't it,
It
man?
really is.
Here is the chili cheese. Smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it, man?
It really does. All the cheeses smell lovely. Wow. So soft. It's lovely taste of chili.
It is such a wonderful taste of chili. It's not too strong either. It's really, really lovely.
It's really good. That's a really lovely cheese.
It really is such a lovely cheese, just like all of them. Oh my gosh, I love trying all of those cheeses so much. They were all absolutely incredible, weren't they, Mum?
They were so amazing. And to think they are made from tofu as well.
They are absolutely incredible, and how they melt in your mouth as well.
Definitely ones we'll get again.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, that caramelised onion one.
What about that chili one?
Oh, they were all incredible. I couldn't choose a favourite. Could you, Mum?
I couldn't choose a favourite. They all had their unique own flavours, didn't they?
They did. And the blue as well.
That was really good.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments, review help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you have tried any of the Happy Mouse cheeses. If you have, which ones have you tried? if you haven't, what are your favourite vegan cheeses? We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!